Yes, I'm Randy, and I'm here with Yaya, Jamaica Healthbox. We've shipped many products all over the world. We're happy to be here with you. We wish you well in all that you do, and a lot of health and a lot of life. Our slogan for this one, what's our slogan again? This introduce yourself, Yaya, and want to talk about this slogan. What's the slogan?
Yeah, we said we want to make
Love
love
life
life
again.
again.
That's it.
Yeah, love life
So
again.
the theme slogan for this piece here is love life again. And in order to love life again, we have to rejuvenate,
Restore
restore,
and reset.
and reset, the three R's. So this is the theme here. We want to love life again, but we have to do the three R's. So before Yaya introduces himself, this product, and he's going to tell you the name of this product, is what it is. He'll tell you later. But I'm going to jump ahead and tell you that this product is a daily product for everyone from the age 5 and up. What we're introducing you to the world has never been done before for humanity, like unique products all over the world. But this has a special uniqueness on a quantum level, on a healing level where no herbalist in the world has ever attained this level of mixture based on Jamaica's source, based on years of experience, and based on the content of what's in these solutions here as herbs. Because from what I'm understanding from Yaya about this product, it's revolutionary on a daily basis. Love life again. It's like we lost the love for life when we didn't have a solution. So now we have a solution, we could love life again. And the goal is to rejuvenate, reset,
Restore.
and restore. To restore your body, reset your system brand new again for your cells, and rejuvenate mind, body, and spirit. And maintain that so you could love life again. So I hope you understand that we wanted to discuss this product, not just the product, take this for this. This is not for a specific ailment. What this is for is your everyday system. It's like multivitamin on steroids as far as quantum multivitamins. That's natural as natural can get. And the mixture is both liquid and solid. Never been done like this before. So I'm going to let Yaya introduce himself, and I hope I did justice in introducing the product, Yaya. And now take it over. What is the why? Who are you again? Talk to the people, please. Thank you.
Peace and wellness, Brother Ron. Peace and wellness to all, one and all. It's a beautiful thing to be a part of this great human experience. I love to say experience and outexperience, because life is beautiful. Our role is beautiful. And, I remind myself every day why I do this. And it's because I love life again and again and again. And one of the greatest thing a man, and when I say a man, woman, man can do is contribute to the upliftment of their fellow beings. Now, my gift is to help to heal the body, restore the body, rejuvenate, and reset the body. I can help you in that field, because that's a gift naturally I have. And, these products, they are not new, but they haven't been formulated this way. They haven't been promoted. They haven't been used in this combination. And when used in this combination, the result is phenomenal. And that is why I'm so excited. And again, why I'm so excited is because he doesn't have to spend a bag of money. They're reasonably attainable. And they're economically friendly. Because if you want to love life again, I don't see the economical value for these products. They're not out of the box. They're easily attainable, from us. Really and truly, every old soul is supposed to have this in their house, in their kitchen counter, on their bed, on their nightstand, in their living room, table, from children to the parents to the grandparents should be taken.
All right.
Nature's first aid kit.
Nature's first aid kit. Thank you so much. We're going to take it through each of these products and the order in which they should take them and the importance of reset. Identify for us what products reset are Herb, Rejuvenate, so break down and restore. So these products have a goal. If they accomplish that goal, you're pretty much loving yourself again. The goal is to reset the cells. And the goal is to rejuvenate the system. And the goal is to restore the entire.
Once you restore, you sustain.
Good. So now you have the Noni Plus, you have the charcoal, you have the chocolate in liquid drop form, in powder, and that's a physical chocolate, that's raw chocolate. So go ahead and speak to us about the Noni Plus.
Well, of course. Well, if you want to do it from order form, I would start with the charcoal.
Okay.
Because what happens with the charcoal, it tends to get rid of the bad cells that's already dead. So you're talking about cleaning your cells, and cleaning is very important, right? Now, with the charcoal, a lot of people don't know, it goes and it gets rid of heavy metals in your body. It pulls heavy metal out of your body. Dead cells that are just lingering, creating pathogen, bacteria, parasites in your body, all these things that are giving you issues, it will pulls it out and let it flush out your system. So remember now, every organs in our body are made up of cells. So if we can go to these cells, the ones that are not good, and say, hey, you have to go because you're not contributing to my health, and get rid of it. The charcoal does that. It cleans the cells by getting rid of the dead cells. And again, a lot of the food that you might consume, they does have a lot of poison in the form of heavy metals, nanoplastics, that's another big issue. So all these things you want to get out of your system, the charcoal and the cellular levels can help you to free yourself. It can also stop poisoning from entering the stomach. So it works as a security. It works as the doorkeeper, the gatekeeper. We need that. So, you have your gatekeeper, man, that say, hey, you're not coming in here. Stay out. It helps to alkaline your body, basically, because it helps you to maintain a clean space. So that's why we're gonna start with the chocolate and the bamboo charcoal. So you'd start with a 7 day goal by taking the bamboo charcoal for 7 days. I mean, from the children to the parents to the grandparents, you all has to start here. And it has no taste, it's just odorless, it's tasteless. And you take 2 capsules. If you choose to use a capsule, you can take 2 capsules per day in water. Just take it. You can do it an hour and a half to 2 hours after any food or before any food, and just drink some water and just let it do the work. Next, we have the Noni Plus. With the Noni Plus, I like to start my day first thing with the Noni Plus. Because the Noni Plus, what it does, it helps, it gives you that energy that you're gonna need to go through the day. It protects your immunity also. This Noni Plus, and in a minute you're gonna see why it works so well with the chocolates and everything. Because with the Noni Plus, we're talking about helping the cells to restore as well. Bad cells, remember now, we in our body, why we sick, why we have issues, is because there are cells there not acting right, abnormal cells. So the Noni Plus helps with the functioning of the cell membrane to make sure the cells in the body, because that's the issue, we have to make sure the cells are correct. So any cells are out of line, the Noni Plus is going to say, hey, get in line. And that's because it has a compound in it that we call the prozeronin or the prozero9. The Noni is like that. And it also helps if you have a flu, a common cold, 1 shot, 1 dosage of this, instantly you can feel it working. A lot of us are struggling with high blood pressure. It helps to relax the blood vessels. A lot of us have an issue with pain, inflammation. The Noni helps to relieve pain. My personal testimony with the Noni Plus, of course, is with circulation, blood clotting. When I had my injury, I used the Noni Plus as a blood purifier and also to help circulate in the blood so that we have no clotting. Also, it's a great antibacterial, antiviral, tonic. It is great for the skin. It helps to replenish, anti-aging. It's simple. Anti-aging. It's an anti-agent because, again, when you're getting new cells, that's what you're doing. You're reducing and reversing aging. Diabetic. It helps with the balancing of insulin. People are having difficulty sleeping. This Noni Plus has melatonin and serotonin. So insomnia through the door. So it helps to relax the central nervous system as well. As I say, there's so much benefit. There's so much benefit you can get from this one tonic, where you're talking about your energy is low. I mean, I'm pretty sure you have some form of testimony where your energy is low, it boosts your energy. It can help with regulating the stress level, oxidative stress. It can help in that form also. So when you take this in the first thing in the morning, you're on your way to upgrade this. Now we have the chocolate now, and I like to call it the wild dark chocolate. You might say cacao, but in Jamaica we call it we call it dark chocolate. And it's grown in the wild, it's organic, there's no these chocolate tree here, with no fertilizer, nothing like that. So you're getting nutrients. I'm talking about nutrients dense from your chocolate. Now, my personal testimony from this is over a certain period, over a couple of months of using it, increase of my memory. I feel energized, my memory, my focus, my even my eyesight gets way better. And the chocolate again, it enhances your mood. People have issue with cholesterol. The chocolate is a magnificent product. But the key thing with the chocolate is it is one of the #1 stem cell food. So that means it is functional. This is a functional food because this food is actually your medicine. It is restoring and it is rejuvenating your cells in your body. So at any given time, when you're taking this chocolate, when you're taking dark chocolate or the cacao, you might call it, the amount of cells in your body double. So now, do you see where if you have an issue going on in the body, you're getting new cells and you want the cells to act normal? The Noni Plus and the dark chocolate, this is what they work, the combination. You get new cells, and the Noni said, hey, you're new here. This is what you have to do. This is how you must be. So if you have a sickness, with your new cells, it's not going to adapt that program, because the Noni Plus is going to make sure it's adapting something that is normal, not abnormal. You get what I'm saying? So the chocolate and the Noni Plus, they're a team working together to make sure that what we're helping the body to do is to be balanced. So we are resetting the body, and whatever sickness you're having, this is why it's so awesome. It's so amazing. Whatever sickness, by using it over a period of time, you're gonna find that that sickness is up yesterday. So we have to have this in our medicine kit, have it on our kitchen counter, have it on our nightstand in the bedroom.
All right, so thank you. The Nature's Medicine Kit, the Noni Plus. We're going to touch on more details as far as the watercress, the ingredients, and the power of rejuvenation with the watercress. We touched on the Guinean weed. We're going to touch on the turkey berry, the tamarind, and we're going to touch on the bird pepper.
What you call it, cayenne.
Yes. So now this Noni Plus explains some of the restore, rejuvenation, and reset attributes with those herbs for us.
Yeah. Well, I mean, again, when you put when when you put a combination of herbs together, you have to ask yourself, what do I want? What do I want to attain? What is the destination? So when you get watercress, the watercress already is it is the world #1 vegetable. Watercress does not, it's only in the alkaline water you find that watercress grows. So with nutrients you're getting from the watercress, it's just phenomenally blended, because the noni it works even as a carrier. So it gets it to the cells that needs to be normal, and it gets it to there at a quick speed. So you're talking about your vitamin C. Oh, I'm having a cold. I'm having a flu. Wow. Hey, you take some of this. The watercress is high in vitamin C as well. Your tamarind is high in vitamin C. So you're gonna find that the noni is like a carrier, so it gets it there fast, and that is why you can get over these issues at a quicker pace than if you want to take these individual herbs individually. The Guinean, it has a lot of cancer fighting properties. Whatever issue you may have, like with if it's colon, it might be prostate, breasts, whatever it is. The Guinean is like one of Jamaica famous herb. You can't, basically you don't want to be out of it. We have the turkey berry, which I know you love the turkey berry. We call that the susumba. And Aaron, the funny thing is, here in Jamaica we like to call it the spirit duppy. The noni itself, the nickname is duppy sawasap. The turkey berry again, it has a duppy seed, duppy bean. So, we have a lot of spirit, spirit working in these herbs. But seriously, the thing is, these fibers, they over the time, they use it as a way to keep you away from these herbs. Stay away from it. Be afraid of it, because they are remarkable. We already know the magnificent of soursop. So imagine the duppy soursop, which is the noni. Listen, man, it's mystic. It is mystic. And over the years, it's over 2 decades I've been, using noni before I even, full-fledged herbalist. And I can speak on it. So, the tamarind is great vitamin, digest. So you talk about the digestive system, the gut, it has laxative effect, where it helps, constipation, skin, beautiful skin.
The idea here was simplified. The chocolate in powder form or in drop where you could put in your shakes. A powder you could put in your shakes, or the drops you just drop it under your tongue.
You can carry it with you, right?
You could bring it in your purse.
Yes.
Now, let me see if I could take it from here a little bit. What we're saying is, when you take the charcoal for 7 days first, you're going back to nature, you were saying. It cleans you out. Good. Charcoal is done 7 days, based on the directions. From children and up. Good. That's done.
I don't mean to cut you, right? Sorry. And being that you're on the charcoal, and we're talking about something for the family.
Yeah.
A lot of our children, they dirt, bacteria, vomiting,
Yeah.
Upset stomach, diarrhea, charcoal. You have to draw for the charcoal,
Even separately
even separately.
from the nature's kit.
Of course, that because it's a nature's kit. It's those things.
So what you're saying, this is a must, not just a must have, it's a requirement for a family.
Yes.
So in short, what we're saying here, if you are a family, this is supposed to be in your home.
It's a must.
This would be your grandmother in the cabinet.
Yes.
Because it's a collective of what grandma would do. So I hope we're trying to make this simple for you. We're not trying to sell you a product for something that you already have. We're trying to tell you that this you must have in your life every day. And to simplify, the chocolate, when you lose 2 cells, it gives you 2 more.
Yes.
Imagine you could do something every day that's paying you twice what you're worth. That's why this is important. So let me reverse. The charcoal cleans you for 7 days. You take the chocolate every day based on directions. And then in the morning, based on when you take the chocolate or the Noni, based on what the directions are, the Noni Plus is what you take based on the direction for children or for adults, teaspoon versus tablespoon. So it's simple, guys. It's very simple. You buy this product, put it in your cabinet, and decide how you're going to distribute it across your family. Problem is, the good news is, you're going to have to save up.
Yeah.
Because it's a continual love. What we're saying the theme is again? Love life again.
Love life again.
Love life again.
Love life again, bro.
So this package here is mine to take home. Loving life again. For me now, following this regimen, it means tomorrow I'm going to get up, and for the next 7 days, I'm going to take a charcoal. And I could take the capsules, or I could open the capsules and throw it in water. Fine. If people don't like capsules, but it's natural.
You can just get the powder too.
And
it's an option.
Yes. So I'm taking the charcoal the next 7 days. And if you have family, you could split it up among them, or contact us and get more of each bag. Right? And then...
If you love your family, you want to get a package for them. Because you want them to love life again.
This is your birthday gift for your family.
Yes.
This is your Christmas gift, and so on.
Wedding gift. Very important.
So I'm excited about this because I know the watercress is in here. The turkey berry, the tamarind, and I know that the noni's mixed with that. So in my idea, my mind says noni, immune system.
Immunity,
the turkey berry goes into the cells. Hey, you guys are not supposed to be here. You're dead. It gets rid of them. Then the watercress says to the new cells, hey, you guys are being born. Make sure you listen to the Noni detox. Make sure you listen to the Noni and follow the right messages and follow the right order of your growth. But what I'm going to do, the watercress is saying, I'm going to rejuvenate you to the point where you're pure. You're not a cancer cell. That's what the watercress does. So the Noni backs up the watercress and gives them direction. And the watercress says, I'm going to make you so new. I'm going to rejuvenate you the right way.
The way nature
intended. Good. So that's the watercress. And then now I went over the turkey berry, Noni, then the tamarind. And what does the tamarind going to do for the cell or for the gut? What is it? What is its purpose?
The purpose. Listen, man. The tamarind. And I love my tamarind juice. I must add. It's excellent. And why I include the tamarind in this tonic is because the tamarind gives you free flow. You don't want to have toxins build up, parasites, pathogens in your body, free radicals. So it actually helps healthy gut microbiomes. And that's what we're promoting. We want to keep the body clean. So now when you're keeping the body clean, all right, what happens is, and you're eating your chocolate, so you're creating more cells on top of more cells. So The cells that are already there is being sustained. So you're losing less cells and getting more cells. Way, way more cells than you're losing. So that's why you can see your whole countenance, your whole being is being reversing, anti-aging. You're basically toughen up your body for any flu, anything that's out the door. It's like a shield. You're putting on your shield and saying, hey, I'm going to war. I got the bulletproof on. Basically, that's what it is.
The tamarind.
The tamarind helps that because it's high in vitamin C as well.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a win-win situation.
All
The
right.
digestive people suffer with a lot of digestive
So the
issues.
tamarind will work similar to the charcoal,
and it also similar to your watercress.
to the watercress. It works
Yes.
hand in hand
Yes.
in making the rejuvenation process
Yes,
successful.
definitely. Because it's your skin. Tamarind is great for your skin. If you have skin issue, tamarind is great. So you see how it works in on the liver too.
Got it. So now the Guinean weed. What's the? I hear that's a big one. What's the major deal with this guy in the combination here? How it's going to work in synchronicity with all these?
Yeah, the Guinean weed is he's like the boss man. You know, the Guinean weed comes in and it's like, hey guys, I have you, I got you, I'm here. You know, nothing can get through us. That's, you know.
Okay.
Simply, you know, I like to explain things simply. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We don't have to get into all that medical. You know, the medical.
It's,
you know, you know.
It creates barriers.
Because communication is necessary, and you know, as I said, Guinean is like a famous herb that's used here and internationally.
Yes.
You know, when it comes on to treating
cancer,
you know, even pressure, you know, hypertension.
Yes.
You know, so the Guinean is
part of the family.
Part of the family, and it's very effective because even with the Guinean, it's good for the common cold. It's good for treating flu. You know, it's good for allergy, sinuses.
Mm-hmm.
So you see where it works hand in hand right there.
Good. So remember the charcoal you could drop, you know, and
or you know, if you rather, you know, you can, you know, if you're like, you know, old fashioned like me, you can chew a couple of the seeds every day, and you're good.
Now you know what's cool, that I could literally bring the charcoal with me in the drop format and just drop it on my tongue. I like that idea. The chocolate.
I just call it the chocolate drops.
Yeah, I like that.
Yes.
I like that I'm applying something to my bloodstream instantly. That's going to give me more cells.
More cells.
That's cool. It's like I wake up in the morning and I drop more cells in me. Now that's a good idea.
Before bed?
Yes.
Very important.
I like that idea.
Or even during the day. Hey, I'm having
so
it's
like it's not a booster. It's like a rejuvenation. It's like you're doubling up yourself.
That's it.
You drop this every day. This chocolate drop
consistently.
I use to make tea. This wild chocolate from Jamaica, and it's literally gonna double your cells.
Double your cells.
So this is why this is this nature medicine kit. It's a daily thing.
Daily.
And you should do this one first, and then you're gonna contact and says, I feel different, stronger, sleep better, eyes wider. Give us the report. Keep a look at yourself. Anything else about this fantastic product that you think we didn't answer? Anything we should share with our friends?
Well, you know, Brother Ron, a lot of folks, and you know, this kit right here, a lot of folks have issues with memory, and the older you get, you know, you tend to see a lot of, right now, a lot of people are suffering from memory issues, even Parkinson, where the nerves, the nerve cells, of course, got damaged. And so it's a preventive kit, really, when you look at it as well. It's a preventive
This
kit.
is our prevention kit. Used to be the watercress, breadfruit, turkey berry, tamarind. What we did is combine.
You get a deal.
Yes, we combined a $400 product line into a lower price product line. So this bottle over here that you're looking at is a prevention for the system. That's why this is a daily.
Yes.
This is a daily system. And this can be combined with the daily box, which has bee pollen, alfalfa, all those things that we have, kelp. So both of those, the daily box.
The starter box.
The starter box would clean you first.
Yeah.
Supersize it. Then you get this nature medicine kit. And you could add it to the daily box, which is another product. So you're getting more.
Yeah, and it's what you want. More.
That you could ask for. Then you could love life again.
Love life again, man.
So I'm excited about it being the first one to follow the regimen. And I'm looking forward, especially to the chocolate. I'm going to get the chewable ones and the drops.
It's amazing. And, again...
But wait. They could probably get the chewable and the powder and the drop.
That's what I was going to tell you.
Contact
With the
us.
chewable, you can also incorporate it in your mixed nuts.
Okay.
Sure.
Yes, and then you could still use the powder in your
tea.
Shakes and
or your shakes.
And then the drop, we probably should just add them in different format. That's it. Why let them choose?
Well,
We'll just price it for that. Because you want to get
it's an experience.
You want the experience.
You want to have
You want
the
the experience of dropping it.
Yeah.
Or you could buy them separately if you want.
It's your choice, but as I say, it's a great... Because I'm using like every one of them. I'm using the drop, I'm using the powder, I'm using the chewable. I'm just... Because with the... even with the chewable, it is what we do, our process. We infuse extract vanilla and also cinnamon in there to give it a nice little flavor. But it's all
Do
natural.
you mind opening that and let me have one of those to kind of see how I'm crunching, And how's the taste for the chocolate drop when you make that happen?
Well, as I say, with the taste, you'll taste different flavor. It's flavorful, and you can also just drop it in a little glass of water. Excuse me.
No problem.
Yeah, you can drink. You can drop it in a little glass of water, and you can just drink.
Yes.
That's why I even give. That's why I even a while ago I just said, hey, you can just throw a couple of these in your mixed nut. Yeah. And you have.
Let's get one of these. Oh, no problem. I'm gonna get that anyway. That's expensive. So, basically.
And you want to chew it. You want to chew it to liquid before you swallow. Because those enzymes, you want to activate them.
This is good because quite an experience. It's like you're chewing on health.
That's it.
This is going to double my cell count. This is going to be like very addicted to people.
That's dope. I mean, we use the chocolate with had it with added sweets and stuff, but we want to introduce our body to the natural, raw,
the new cells.
And it works. What happened now when you eat it like this, straight out or the liquid form, it works instantly. It works instantly, and that's what the nature's medicine kit is about. It's about getting the result.
And you'll take 3 of these.
I eat about 3 to 5 daily. I did, and I've been doing this for the last 7 months.
So I'm definitely going to need my little bag, my first aid kit. You could bring all of these, fit them in a little pouch in your bag, and bring them with you. Yeah. Anywhere you travel
I have it in a little jar.
So now, this is basically what you do every day.
Yeah, man. This is now part of my
Regimen. This is it.
This is functional food, bro. This is functional food.
Because at least you're sure
yes,
that you're doubling up your cells.
you know you're doubling up your cell. You know that
The new cells are
your
being
new cells are being made
properly.
And not just being made. That's what I'm excited about, because they're not just being made. You know that when they're created, they're also normal. They're functioning normal. Very important. So on this, as I say, as a stem cell, they're not coming in and they're not coming in abnormal. We have the Noni Plus here with the various ingredients we listed that are instructing them to be normal, efficient. So that is why we are doing this as a package and telling you, hey, try this as a package. Try it for the family. You cannot lose. You only can gain. There's so much benefit.
Yeah.
And it's proven. It's been medically proven what we're saying here. So don't it taste well? After a while, you're gonna find that there's a little bit, just a tip of bitter, but it's not too bitter. It's just a sweet. It's just it's a stimulating.
And you could take it in different forms. So if you put the powder in your shakes,
Yes.
or just drop it, you should be fine.
You're fine. You'll be fine. Or let's say if you just boil up some water, you want a sip of tea, and you're not gonna even strain it.
So, we would combine this just with the powder and have them add others individually, so it doesn't cost that much,
That's what I'm saying. It's good to
Start with the powder.
You can start with the powder if you.
In the package,
Yeah.
so they'll buy it with the powder, and they could switch to whatever, add
Try
more stuff.
something else, yeah.
So now, I like this. This is making things simple for me.
Well, I love it. I love life again. This will allow you to live your life longer.
And much better.
Very important. Without, because what happened, you have to remember, bro. Some of us, they said people are living longer, but are they living healthier? Because, say you retire, 60, 65, 67, you're in pain. You're taking 50 different capsules and medicine. Your medicine kit, your medicine cabinet is full with all these drugs. Your life, you're not sleeping. You're overweight. You're not happy. This is not good. You can't love life again that way.
All right.
You're hardly remembering stuff. Alzheimer's is right there. You're basically ending, going into the whole, the nursing home or the old folks home, they call it. Your children, they don't want to deal with you. We don't getting older. It's fun, and that is why we said live and love life again.
Yes.
Because the older you get, you're loving life more, because what? Functional food. This is what nature intended.
Thank you so much. Really looking forward to it. I'm definitely gonna have the drops, the powder, and
the chewables.
And what I'm happy about is that I cleaned first with the charcoal 7 days. This is for everybody in the family. I'm going to send this video, and you guys should share this video too with your family, because here's something new, something revolutionary, never been done before. Each product has their own uniqueness. I'm excited about the chocolate just doubling my cells. And I'm knowing that, putting that in my mind, this is not just regular chocolate, and it's wild. And I'm excited to know that the Noni Plus has so many of the top herbs in there that in their specific role are just working together. They give the cells a chance to rejuvenate, restore, and reset. And once the cells do that, that's pretty much the body, mind, and the nervous system.
Yeah.
It feeds into each other.
And every remember now, over a period of 13 months, your body changes all the cells in so hey.
When you're feeding your body this, it's like you're giving it direction to love life again.
Yes.
Basically, you're giving your body direction to do this right next year.
Inflammation. You're getting rid of it over 13 months, that's all of that is gone. Your bones are getting stronger.
Yes. Because you're given, it's all cells.
It's all cells.
So basically, you kind of have to invest in this the entire year. This is one of our products, like the Daily Box has 100 capsules. Mm-hmm. There's some products we have that you actually, when you run out, you have to get it again.
Yes.
So be on a consistent journey for a year and check with these items, and you could check with your doctor with anything before you take these. But be on a consistent basis in refilling. This is the kind of subscription model. You're not sure what might be done first, but you could buy independent if you want to make sure your cabinet has the Nature's medicine kit.
Yeah, man, your cabinet must not be out of this. Your cabinet cannot be out of this.
If you're going to get anything from Jamaica,
you have to get this.
This is it. This is the greatest thing coming out of Jamaica. That's it.
And we have a lot of great things, Ron.
Yes.
We have Bob Marley. Listen, man, this is greater.
Whoa, this is greater than Bob Marley?
This is greater because what this does.
Give people life.
Yes.
Real life.
Health. Health is the
greatest. You're right.
Greatest.
So this,
you want to live.
It's greater than Usain Bolt.
It has to.
This is for people. This is for children. This is for grandma. This is why this is the greatest thing coming out of Jamaica. Period. Full stop. So this is Yaya, one of the greatest coming out of Jamaica, formulating this for us.
Yes.
And we're proud of you. It's an honor that you represent our culture and you represent health and you love life again, and you love the people.
I love my people, man. I love my people.
Yes.
This is why we do it.
Mm-hmm. We're going to make some t-shirts with Love Life Again from Jamaica Healthbox.
Yes.
Yaya and Randy. That's going to be our slogan for 2025 and onwards for this Jamaica Healthbox. We're going to use that slogan.
Love life again, people.
That's it. We created that together. We actually did. We were walking in the trails.
Yes.
And we were like, you know what? We were having our little
cipher, man. We were just in it.
We were in our health retreat.
Yes.
Our first major health retreat in the mountains, and we were and that was amazing. Yes, that moment, on a recap, that was an amazing moment. So this is Randy and Yaya, guys. Nature's Medicine Kit.
Nature's Medicine
Go to JamaicaHealthbox.com. Look in the description of this video for phone numbers. The phone number should be on the screen. You could text us at any time, call us, and you could also just sign the waiting list and we'll get back to you and tell you more about it if you need to know more about it. We FedEx all over the world, from Japan to Africa to Sweden to Australia. Our products are in demand and our customers are happy and they all will always come back. And, we bid you well. Love life again. Wrap it up for me, Yaya.
Well, hey, Ron. And guess what? I mean, hey, if you wanna sell this in your store, you can contact Jamaica Healthbox because Ron, I'm telling you, I don't know about you, which I should know about you. I know we want everyone to have access to this. So if you want to carry this product in your store, of course you can get it, and have it, available because we want everyone to have. We said every household.
Yes. This is. I hope you could supply.
Yeah. Well, of course, but we.
I hope you can supply that.
We can over the time. We can.
Yes.
Do our
so
best.
Basically, guys, what he's saying, even though he's saying everyone should have it, Get yours as soon as you can.
Get
Because
we don't want to put you on the waiting list.
Because what's going to happen after this video, you look at your wife look at you like, should we get it? The answer is yes.
You have to get it. And the price is
okay.
economic.
So then once you get this, go to the doctor and do a checkup.
Yes.
And then come back to us and says the Nature Medicine Kit is amazing.
It worked like a charm.
Thank you so much, man.
It's my pleasure. And, my people, it's love, peace, and just love life again.
JamaicaHealthbox.com.
I'm Yaya L.
Respect.
And that's.
Boom.